Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find factorials, permutations, and combinations on a Sharp EL-506W calculator. I'm also going to talk a little about what those are. So the first thing to talk about are factorials. And a factorial looks like an exclamation mark. In fact, that's what it is. In math, an exclamation mark is called a factorial. And what it means is multiplication by the next number down until you get down to 1. So 7 factorial means 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's 540. This happens a lot, especially in statistics. So we want to know how to use that. So let this clear it. Now, if there's something, like if you're in a different mode, like a test mode or something, you want to get rid of it, you could always just go mode 0 on this calculator, and it'll clear everything pretty much. So to do 7 factorial, you'll notice the factorial key is above the 4. It's written in orange. So you would hit 7, second, the number 4, which is the factorial key, and hit equals, and it just does it for you automatically. We use this a lot. Excuse me. Now, a permutation, 8p3. An example where this might show up would be, it means that order is important. So say, for instance, we had 8 people or eight teams in a baseball league. How many ways are there to come up with first, second, third? If you take a look at all the different ways, there would be, because it matters if you come up first, second, or third, the order is important if you come in first, second, or third. It'd be a permutation. This could also be used, there's the distinction in the duties of the members. So if we have 8 people in our little club, and we have to pick a president, a vice president, and a secretary, then you would take 8p3 because each of those people have distinct duties. So it'd be a permutation. 8p3 would be 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 factorial, which is 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial, which is 336. So the way we would do this on a calculator, we would go 8, second, and above the 6 is the NPR key. So hit the 6, and then the number 3 equals, and 8p3 is equal to 336. So we did here. Does all that for you. Now a combination. A combination means the order is not important. So things like this. Like when you're picking numbers for a lottery, it doesn't matter which of those numbers you chose first or which one you chose second or third. The order didn't matter, so it would be a combination. If you have cards and you're being dealt cards, then it doesn't matter which card you dealt first or second or third. You have the same hand, so that would be a combination. Also, there is no distinction in the duties of the members. So if we had 9 people in our club and we wanted to pick 2 people to go do a little special project, but we didn't give them specific duties, it would be a combination. In this case, it would be 9 choose 2. 9 combination 2 would be written as 9 over 2 in parentheses, or it could be written as 9C2. A lot of people like writing it this way because that's the way our calculator is going to look at it. I'll show you in a minute. So that would be 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 2 factorial. And in the denominator, you'd multiply by an additional 2 factorial. So 9 factorial divided by the product of 7 factorial times 2 factorial. That would give you 36. Now, a combination is above the number 5 key in CR, and that's in orange. So you hit 9, second, the question number 5, and then 2. So above the 5 is the NCR key, so we hit second. And then number 2, 9C2. See, 9C2 is 336, sorry. 9C2, 9 combination 2 is 36. So your calculator, the numbers 4, 5, and 6 do all of these different. Remember, above the 4 is factorial, above the 6 is a permutation, and above the 5 is a combination. Anyway, I hope that this helps you. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.